Hello girls, today we have two boys from Turkey. They are really nice and they asked me to show you some moments how to cook some foods. It's not very difficult. You should take flours and water, mix it together, put some salt and be ready to make some mashed potato with onion and with salt too. I know maybe you don't you know from your parents how to cook the bread. It is the same way, exactly the same way how to cook the bread. Just put the meat inside
onion.
No.
Inside how we can say okay in Russian.
Okay, we get it.
In Russian it's called testo. Put inside testo and after you will get this.
Okay.
And then the water become ready, just put it inside the water and the delicious food will be ready.
Okay.
That's all.
Душ.